Orient Electric Aura Rapid Pro. Product information. India's first 5.9 liters instant water heater. India's first 5.9 liters instant geyser, Aura Rapid Pro, is Orient Electric's revolutionary launch. Long lifespan with stainless steel tank. Made with high-grade stainless steel tank, this water heater comes with an extended lifespan, fulfilling your hot water needs endlessly. Enjoy faster heating and optimal hot water. The electric water heater comes with a heavy copper heating element that heats water faster, fulfilling your hot water needs anytime. Shockproof and rust-resistant body. The high-strength polymer body of this water heater is shockproof and rust-resistant for ultimate safety and extended lifespan. Suitable for low-rise and mid-rise buildings. With a pressure compatibility of up to 6.5 bars, the instant geyser is suitable for low-rise and mid-rise buildings. Ultra-safe in usage, the instant water heater comes with a pressure release valve and anti-siphon hole that make it ultra-safe in usage. Longer heat retention. The high-quality glass wool insulation retains heat longer for you to experience the luxury of hot water anytime you need. Convenience at its best with neon indicators. This water heater is equipped with neon indicators for power and heating status indication, as well as a molded 3-pin plug for better load efficiency. Promise of quality. With a warranty of 5 years on tank, 2 years on heating element and 2 years on the overall product, this electric water heater comes protected against manufacturing defects. Best buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.